Window installation in Knoxville is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and curb appeal. With a variety of window styles available, including vinyl windows, double-pane windows, and custom windows, Knoxville residents can find the perfect fit for their homes. Window contractors in Knoxville offer expert window consultation and window estimates to ensure the best window solutions for every need, along with Entry Doors Knoxville for complete exterior upgrades. Energy-efficient windows in Knoxville are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Double-pane windows and storm windows provide excellent insulation, keeping homes warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Window insulation and window sealing are essential services offered by window companies in Knoxville to maximize energy savings, just like professionally installed Entry Doors Knoxville. Window installation services in Knoxville are essential for maintaining the longevity and functionality of your windows. Whether you need window glass replacement, window frame installation, or window hardware installation, Knoxville window experts are equipped to handle all types of window maintenance, as well as Entry Doors Knoxville. Window caulking and window sealing are also vital for preventing drafts and water damage. Vinyl windows in Knoxville are a durable and low-maintenance option for homeowners. Known for their energy efficiency and versatility, vinyl windows come in various styles and can be customized to fit any home design. Custom windows in Knoxville allow homeowners to choose unique window styles and measurements for a personalized touch, often paired with matching Entry Doors Knoxville. Storm windows in Knoxville provide an extra layer of protection against harsh weather conditions. These windows are designed to withstand strong winds and heavy rain, making them an excellent choice for homes in areas prone to storms. Window contractors in Knoxville can install storm windows to enhance your home's resilience, along with secure Entry Doors Knoxville. Window tinting in Knoxville is a popular service for those looking to reduce glare and protect their interiors from UV damage. Tinted windows also offer added privacy and can enhance the overall aesthetic of your home. Window companies in Knoxville provide professional window tinting services to meet your specific needs, just as they do for Entry Doors Knoxville. Window screens in Knoxville are essential for keeping insects out while allowing fresh air to circulate through your home. Window experts in Knoxville offer a range of window screen options, including retractable screens and custom-fit screens, to suit any window style. Regular window maintenance ensures that screens remain in good condition, especially when combined with well-installed Entry Doors Knoxville. Window upgrades in Knoxville can significantly improve your home's value and energy efficiency. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows, such as double-pane or vinyl windows, can lead to substantial savings on energy bills. Window contractors in Knoxville provide comprehensive window consultation services to help you choose the best upgrades for your home, including Entry Doors Knoxville. Window measurements in Knoxville are a critical step in ensuring a perfect fit for new or replacement windows. Accurate measurements are essential for custom windows and window glass replacement projects. Window companies in Knoxville offer professional measurement services to guarantee precise window installation in properly fitted Entry Doors Knoxville. Window estimates in Knoxville provide homeowners with a clear understanding of the costs involved in window installation or replacement projects. Window contractors in Knoxville offer detailed estimates that include all aspects of the project, from materials to labor, ensuring transparency and no hidden fees, whether for windows or Entry Doors Knoxville. Looking for top-notch window installation and entry door installation in Knoxville? Our window experts specialize in energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, and custom windows to enhance your home's comfort and style, including premium Entry Doors Knoxville. Whether you need vinyl windows, storm windows, or window glass replacement, our window contractors in Knoxville provide comprehensive window solutions tailored to your needs. For those in Knoxville seeking window installation services, our team offers window frame installation, window sealing, and window caulking to ensure your windows are in perfect condition. We also provide window hardware, window screens, and window tinting to enhance functionality and aesthetics, along with reliable Entry Doors Knoxville. Our window insulation and window maintenance services in Knoxville ensure your home remains energy efficient and well protected. Custom windows in Knoxville are our specialty, offering a variety of window styles and window measurements to fit any architectural design. Our window consultation and window estimates in Knoxville help you make informed decisions about your window upgrades, including coordinated entry doors. Knoxville. Trust our window companies in Knoxville for reliable and professional service. Vinyl windows in Knoxville are a popular choice for their durability and low maintenance. Our window contractors in Knoxville are skilled in installing and maintaining these windows, ensuring they last for years. We also offer window solutions for residential window replacement in Knoxville, perfectly complementing entry doors. Knoxville. Storm windows in Knoxville offer added protection against harsh weather conditions. Our window experts in Knoxville can guide you through the selection process, ensuring you choose the best options for your home, including impact-resistant entry doors. Knoxville. With our window maintenance Knoxville services, your windows will remain in top condition, providing peace of mind and energy savings. Window upgrades in Knoxville can significantly improve your home's energy efficiency and curb appeal. Our window companies in Knoxville offer a wide range of options, from window tinting to window insulation, to meet your specific needs, alongside modern entry doors. Knoxville. With our window consultation Knoxville services, you can explore the latest trends and technologies in window design. Window estimates in Knoxville are crucial for budgeting your home improvement projects. Our window contractors in Knoxville provide detailed and accurate estimates, ensuring transparency and satisfaction for windows and entry doors. Knoxville alike. Whether you need window glass replacement Knoxville or window frame installation Knoxville, our team is ready to assist. Window Styles Knoxville offers a diverse selection to match any home design. From traditional to modern, our window experts in Knoxville can help you find the perfect fit. Our window solutions Knoxville are designed to enhance your home's beauty and functionality, especially when paired with stylish entry doors. Knoxville. Entry door installation Knoxville is another area of expertise, complementing our window services. Our team ensures seamless integration of entry doors and windows, enhancing your home's security and aesthetic appeal. Trust our window companies Knoxville for all your window and entry doors Knoxville needs, delivering exceptional results every time.